Need to enter download mode to flash your A52s, but you don't know the exact method? Watch this video to the end to learn the 100% guaranteed way to safely enter and exit this mode. Power off the phone completely. While still holding both volume buttons, connect the USB cable from your powered-on computer to your phone. Exit download mode. Keep holding these two buttons for approximately 7 to 10 seconds. As soon as the screen goes black, you can release them.